When using the Forever Laser Dark media, we recommend to use a swing-away heat press and follow these instructions. Remember to remove any Teflon cover from your press before you use it. Preheat the low platen. The Laser Dark media has two components. One is the A-foil, where you print the images. The matte side is the printing side. The second component is the B paper. This paper has a white opaque coating for high opacity and washability. Place the A-foil with the printing side facing up, and the B paper facing down. Place a small piece of regular paper between the A and B. Then cover all with matte finish economy or parchment paper. Press at 310 degrees Fahrenheit for 90 seconds, and with medium pressure. Separate the B paper from the A-foil while is hot. Do not remove the medias from the heat press while separating them. All the toner will be covered with the white opaque coating from the B paper. Cut around the image to remove the undesired white border. Now that you have the transfer prepared, place it on the garment and cover the image with matte finishing economy or parchment paper. Press at 310 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 seconds and with medium pressure. Let it cool down completely before peeling it. To peel, roll the A-foil in a slow, low, and fluid movement. To give a matte finish and improve the washability, press it again at 310 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 seconds and with medium pressure. When washing, use a cold wash cycle and inside out. Now your garment is ready.
For additional information, please visit us at www.inkjetbiz.com. Send us an email to orders@inkjetbiz.com or call us to 1-408-394-7595. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more InkJetBiz videos.